Hello, future entrepreneurs. Jermaine back here with another video from TrueFreedomIncome.com. Hope you guys are doing awesome today. Today we have made it to day number 44 of the My Lead Gen Secret Clickbank Challenge. And today is May the 23rd of 2025. All right. So if you guys have not been following these videos, please go back to day number 1 of this My Lead Gen Secret Clickbank Challenge. Okay. In this channel, so you can kind of get up to speed on what we're doing. Okay. Now, if you're new to this video, you have no idea what we're doing, guys. We are we're using a service called Mileage and Secret System, and we're taking a offer from Clickbank, which is a free affiliate network marketing platform that we can go to and grab different offers from different niches. And the niche that we're going to be using is a make money online niche, okay, business opportunity niche. We're going to find an offer from there, and from Clickbank, and we're going to join it with the Miley Gen Secret system, and we're going to see if we can earn a full-time income sending out emails every single day. All right. So this, guys, is going to be a good series for you. Okay. And what we're doing, guys, is we are doing a 365-day challenge. All right. Where we're going to promote one offer from Clickbank, and we're going to use that offer with the Miley Gen Secret system. All right. So I wanted to show you guys what this looks like. I'll show you the journey. Okay. If you guys stick with me, subscribe to this channel, like this video, let me know what you think about this stuff, guys. We're going to be shooting this video for 1 year. We're not going to miss a beat. All right. So let's go ahead and get right into it, guys. This is day number 44 of the challenge. And what I'm going to do today, guys, is show you guys how to send out an email in the My Lead Gen Secret system. And then I'll show you the results from the emails that we sent last night. All right. Fair enough. All right. Let's get started. So let's go ahead and hop on over here to My Lead Gen Secret system. If you guys don't know what My Lead Gen Secret is, My Lead Gen Secret is an email service that's going to provide 100 to 200 business opportunity leads every single day. Okay. So every day you come into this back office, which will look exactly like this, you're going to see either 100 or 200 emails every single day. Okay. So the good thing is that we'll have new opportunities to be in front of every single day. All right. Now, just a little bit about myself. I've been with the My Lead Gen Secret system over 3 years now. I totally love the service, guys. I've promoted so many different offers to this traffic. I can tell you it does work. Okay. The only thing is that this is cold traffic. These people have to get warmed up to what we're doing in order for, people to start to catch on what we're doing, and for them to opt in to our offers, and then for us to make money off of these customers. Okay. So my Lead Gen Secret, guys, is going to look exactly like this, your back office, if you guys get started. And I did leave a link below this video. So if you go below this video right here to where it says more, you click on there, and it's going to be this link right here. This is going to be the link where you're going to sign up for the My Lead Gen Secret system. It's going to take you to that page. Go ahead and get signed up. And then after you get signed up, you can create multiple accounts if you want, okay, which I would recommend doing. Creating at least 3 to 5 accounts, okay, to go ahead and get started. And then once you start making more money, you can start scaling those accounts and start buying more accounts. All right. Now, to get started with My Lead Gen Secret, there is a one-time charge of $60 to get started, and then $30 a month to keep the service. Okay. Now, what you're going to get in return each month is thousands of new subscribers every single month that you've never had on your list. Okay, so that's the cool thing, is that you're always gaining subscribers. And what we need as affiliate marketers, one of the most important things that we need is traffic. All right, we need visitors, we need eyeballs on our offers. All right, so this is where the My Lead Gen Secret comes in. And right now, I have 80 different accounts, okay, that I go in every day and I send out emails every single day, okay? So you can do the same. I would recommend doing that. Now, if you guys don't have the budget, I would say start off with maybe 2 or 3 accounts. If you do got more of a budget, I will go from anywhere from 5 to 10. Now, you don't want to get too many accounts, because you want to see this thing through. You don't want to get frustrated and then just quit the system. Okay. If you just because you don't see results within the first couple weeks, first month, or first few months. Okay. So, just stick with it, guys. Now, certain people don't see results, for the first week. Okay. Some see it the first day. You may not see it for the next 3 weeks, maybe a month, maybe 2 months, maybe even 4 to 6 months, right? Okay. It just depends. All right. But what I've noticed is that between months 4 and 6, things started to take off for me, guys. And that's when I started to start earning money with this method. All right. But what I did for this series only, okay, I've created a brand new Clickbank account. just for this method, okay, just for this series, okay, excuse me, and just want to show you guys how you can start, doing the same thing, start from scratch. Okay, that's the only reason why I created this series is to show other people how to do it. Okay, one thing about me, what you'll notice is that I'm not going to come on this channel or YouTube and promote something that I'm not promoting personally. Okay, anything that you ever see on this channel, I've already done it for a while. I've already seen results, or I've seen, where it doesn't work. Okay. And I want to share that with you if it doesn't work. Okay. So, the cool thing is that with this channel, you're going to get, total transparency, and, you're going to know if this stuff does work or it doesn't. Okay. The fact that I've been doing this My Legion secret thing for a few years now, I could just should tell you, okay, that, I kind of know what I'm talking about here, guys. And I know if it works or doesn't work. And I know what offers work and what offers convert and what offers don't work. Okay. And what emails work and what emails don't work. All right. So follow along with me, guys. I'm going to show you guys how to send out an email in the system. The offer that we're going to be using is going to be an offer called, it's called, let's see, social sales rep, okay, which is live chat jobs. Okay, excuse me, I had a brain fart for a minute. Live chat jobs is the top offer on Clickbank. Okay, so if you go to Clickbank, and if you guys go over to Clickbank, guys, you're going to, it's free to get started. It doesn't cost you anything at all to get started. Okay. And if you go to the marketplace here, the e-business and e-marketing is the niche that we are in. Okay, and we're going to grab this top offer right here. This is the offer that we're promoting. And you guys can promote, different offers. It doesn't have to be that one. You can use this paid online write jobs, get paid to use Facebook, and write out reviews. Those three work. Okay. And if you go back to the beginning of this channel, I did shoot a few different challenges to show you that other offers do work as well. Not only does this offer work, other offers work as well. Okay. But for this 365 challenge, okay, we're only going to promote only just one offer, okay, which is going to be this live chat jobs here. Okay. So if you go up here to live chat jobs, you're going to want to click on the affiliate page. Okay. So click on that. It's going to take you to this page. Okay. And then we're going to come down here to the email swipes. These are going to be the free email swipes that we're going to be able to use. And these emails do convert really well, guys. So all you got to do is come down here, and let's just say, for instance, we're going to grab email number 2. And then we're going to grab the subject line. We're going to control C. We're going to come back over here to the mailing system. Okay. And then we're going to go to the mailing system right here. Okay. And then we want to come down here. We want to select all. We're going to get our emails. And those emails are going to transfer over to the portal. And this is where we're going to send out one email that's going to go to all of these people that we select. Okay. Now, this particular account is going to go out to 53,000. Okay. And like I said, what gets you the 100 versus 200 is how many accounts that you have. Okay, so this is my last account, so I don't have any signups under this last account because I stopped at 8 accounts. Okay, so I'm only going to get 100, but every account that I have below this account gets 200 leads a day. All right. So we got this account up to 53,000. So you want to come down here to the subject line. You want to control V. We're going to just use that same header from over here with the offer. Okay. So you want to come down here and you want to click on the body. Okay. You want to take that body. You want to grab all of it. Okay, Control C, come back over here to the mailing system, and then you want to come down here to the subject line. Okay, and then you want to click on perfect timing, and then you want to select this and then Control V. Super easy to do, guys. Take out signature, either put in your name or management, whichever one you want. Right here, guys, I've already sent out my email earlier today. Okay. So what we want to do is come back here where it says hey name. We want to take that hey name out, and we want to address our prospect by their first name. Okay, so let's grab this code, Control C, come back here to the mailing system, down here to the body, and Control V. Super easy. Okay, and where it says click here, apply now, wherever, hit this link. We want to turn those into clickable links. Okay, so you want to take this, and then you want to click on this link tab. This is going to turn our text into clickable links. Okay, so you just want to come over here to the emails, to the offer. Okay, you want to grab this hop link, and these links below these emails, these go right along with the email that we're sending. Okay, so this link right here matches this email. Okay, So let's go ahead and control C. And then what we want to do is we want to come here where it says your Clickbank affiliate ID. You want to put in your Clickbank affiliate ID. Okay. Not mine, but yours. Okay. Click on OK. Come down here and you want to where it says hit this link. We want to turn that into a clickable link because when it says hit this link, it's telling our prospect to click here. Okay. So let's go ahead and go here and we want to go here and then we want to go to main one. All right. And then boom, click on OK. And what that does, it turns that into, we got two clickable links there and you want to either use 16 or 18, whichever one you want to use. Okay. And where it says available in your country, you always want to say available in your area. All right. So look at this. Look at this text here, guys. Everything looks really good. Our text says building a live chat career. This could be your chance. And then this email, this body text is talking about TikTok. Okay. So we want to go here, and then these links will take us to our affiliate page. So at the bottom here, before you click send now, it's going to be say send now, and it's going to say preview. You want to click preview, okay? You want to preview the ad, make sure that it works. You want to click on these links, make sure they go to your affiliate page. That's very important that you do that. Once they go to your affiliate page, you want to go ahead and click on send now. Boom. That's it, guys. That's how easy it is to send out an email in the MyLegion secret system. It's super easy to do, guys. So go ahead and get started. I did leave a link, like I said, below this video. Okay. If you're someone out there who's looking for extra income, maybe to pay a light bill, put gas in your car, maybe pay electric bill. Maybe you need, extra money for groceries. Okay. Mortgage or rent payment to help out. Okay. Part payment if you got a vehicle. Okay. This is the type of income that you want to be able to make to pay those extra bills. Now, if you want to do this full time and you want to get this thing up to maybe 1,500, 2,000, 3,000, maybe even $5,000 a month, okay, what you're going to need is multiple accounts. Okay. So you get those multiple accounts and you're going to have to work those accounts for at least 6 months to a year. Okay. And then that's where you're going to be able to start seeing more income coming in. All right. So that's how you do it, guys. That's how you send out an email. All right. Well, in the system. So I just showed you how to do that. So let's go ahead and go over here to Clickbank, okay? And then let's go ahead and go over to the reporting tab. Today is May the 22nd or 23rd, I'm sorry. And we're going to just look at what we did last night. All right. So today we got over 1,100 hops, which is really good, guys. We got 587 unique hops. These are brand new IP addresses that we received, okay? And then also we got 3 order form impressions and 2 unique order form impressions. These are people that came to the checkout page. They pulled out their wallet. They decided to buy for whatever reason, or they didn't buy for whatever reason. Okay. In our luck today, guys, we did get a sale. We got someone who signed up. Okay. This person said, "Hey, I want to start working right away." They pulled out their credit card and they started to start working with us. Okay. Now, if you guys don't know, this rebill it's from a email that we sent out a few days ago. Okay. So let's go ahead and go over there and check that out. I believe that we got a sign up a few days ago, and I was telling you guys sometime around Friday we should see that sale coming in. That sale came in. So not only did we get a sale from a few days ago, we got a new sale for today. And then also yesterday, we got a rebill from last month. Okay. Now, let me tell you, just let you in on a little secret. The reason why I'm promoting this offer, guys, is because this offer has a rebill of $20, of $29. Okay. So for us affiliates, we're going to get 75 to 85% commissions on every rebill that comes in. So say for instance someone got $29 coming in every month, they're getting charged for the program, we get to keep $20 in the change from that. All right, which is pretty cool. Okay. So say for instance, our first 30 days, we get quite a few signups. Those people sign up for the program. What's going to happen is they're going to get rebilled the next month for the program. Okay. So what's going to end up happening as these months progress, we're going to start receiving $20 monthly payments coming in every single month. Okay. On top of um, the brand new sales that we have as well. Okay. So not only do we get those rebills every single month, we're going to get the new sales coming in every month. Okay. Which is pretty awesome. And we're only on the second 30 days. Okay. We're only on month 2, so to speak, of the challenge. Okay. So, which is really, really good because we're starting to see rebills from the first 30 days. Those people are getting rebilled for the program. And what's going to end up happening, we're going to start having $40 days. $60 days, $80 days, $100 days. Okay. And if we keep this thing going even longer, we're going to have 150, 160, 180, $200 days. Okay. That's the whole goal of this thing, guys, where we can get this thing up and we can start earning the income that, you may want to make with it. All right. So this stuff, if you like this type of stuff, guys, click the link below this video. Let me know what you think about this stuff. This stuff is super exciting to do. And like I said, we did see a sale today. And then also we got a rebill as well, just from a few days ago. Okay. So let me just go back and check. Okay. Let's go ahead and go to the users tab. We want to come here to this page. And then we want to come down here and let's just see where the sale came from. This $20 sale. So if you click here, we want to go here, 23rd. Okay, let's go ahead and see what this rebill came from. This rebill came from the 20th. See, just like I said, we got this sale on the 20th and it's the 23rd every 3 days. So when we get the initial sale, there's a free trial, which is $1 pretty much what our prospect is going to get. They got a dollar trial. Okay. They try that out for 3 days for free. Okay. After 3 days, okay, if they still like the service and they still like the opportunity, they're going to get billed for the price of the program, okay, which is $29. All right. So most people this the conversion of someone basically signing up for that free trial and then starting to work is very high right now. I think I'm at maybe 90% or 100%, for people who want to start working, okay, and start this opportunity and start making money, all right, which is very exciting, all right. So that sale came from just a few days ago from the sale that we got. And not only did we get that sale, guys, we got a new initial sale today, okay. And what I'm going to be looking for in this next set of 30 days, which is the 30 days that we're in now, is all the rebills from the first 30 days. And then whenever we go into, whenever we get past day number 60, we're going to start looking for the first 30 days and the second 30 days, okay? On top of the new sales that we get in the third set of 30 days, all right? Which is pretty cool. That's what's going to get us to that month 3 and month 4, we should start seeing the $40 and the $60 days, okay, guys? And it's going to be exciting. So, but right now, guys, I mean, just from this video, we're only on day number 44, okay? So we're pretty much halfway maybe through our second set of 30 days. Okay. We still have just a little bit more to go to get to that third set of 30 days, the 60 days. Okay. When we start getting up higher in the days, guys, is going to be the more income that we're going to make here, guys. Okay. But I do want to throw out a disclaimer real quick. Okay. I don't want to guarantee that you're going to make anything doing anything that I'm showing you here, guys, because I don't know if you're motivated. I don't know if you're going to go out and get accounts. I don't know if you're going to sign up. I don't know if you're going to get multiple accounts. I don't know if you're going to come in every day like I do and send out emails every day. Okay? I just don't know. All right. But what I can guarantee you is that if you follow exactly what I'm showing you here, guys, on how to send out emails, if you follow exactly what I'm showing you on getting multiple accounts, okay, you will start to see progress in this and you will start finding a way for yourself, okay? So I'm going to end this video on that note. I did want to come here and I want to show you guys how easy it is to send out an email in the MileyGen secret system. And then also I wanted to show you the results on what we did from last night's email. We did get a sale today, and then we also got a free trial sign up, okay, from a few days ago, which is pretty awesome. Okay, this is just starting out, guys. Stuff I can start seeing stuff is starting to get a little bit closer. Okay, so we're starting to make just these sales and these rebuilds. They're starting to get a little bit closer. So we're starting to go, every other day. I'm showing here maybe we're getting some kind of commission or a rebill or a new sign up coming in. All right, which is pretty awesome. So that was the whole goal, is to get all of this stuff, pushed together so we can start seeing consistent sales every single day. Okay, so I'm going to leave this video on that note, and I hope to see you guys back here tomorrow at the same time, same place. All right, guys, peace.